Hi, good morning, good day. It's Wednesday, 12th of September 2018. Welcome to Real-Time Daily Trading Ideas. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. We will speak about trading ideas, strategies, market screen, and maybe 1 or 2 questions from your side directly answered in our webinar. Our goal is quick and smart, so let's have a nice start like every day. And like every day, we will start with our disclaimer. Forex and CFDs are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. If you are a starter, please start with a demo account and make yourself familiar with long trading, short trading, leverage trading, and your personal risk management. If you like to read the full disclaimer, just visit one of our web pages, for example, admiralmarkets.com, and you will find everything displayed in long form there. If you like to see other documents, like, for example, our KITS key information documents, of course, they are also to find on admiralmarkets.com. Same like the different offers for retail clients and professional clients. If you are in the European Union, since August 2018, there's a different level of protection for retail clients and professional clients, and also a different level of available leverage. More about that a little bit later here. Like you know, ESMA is one of the watchdogs or the regulator in the European Union. If you trade the DAX30 or the euro dollar as a retail client or a professional client, you see the difference in margin and leverage. DAX30, one example, a professional client just need 24 euro for margin requirements, and a professional client would need 600 euro. Same status with euro dollar, 200 euro to 3,333. If you like to be a professional client, you can apply for that. If you are a legal client, check it out. Here's a link. Retail clients will have an unlimited protection against negative balances. Professional clients will have our negative balance protection policy, and via this and protection up to 50,000 British pounds, what is around about 70,000 euro. This is me. My name is Jens. My English made in Germany, but maybe my quality too. But I'm not the main speaker. The main speaker is the day trader of today. This is our scheme. On Monday, it's Jay's day. On Tuesday, it's Paul's day. On Wednesday, like today, it's Giancarlo's day. On Thursday, it's Marco's day. On Friday, it's DX day. Our leading day traders live every business day to the same time. And of course, if you like to trade Forex and CFDs, you will get many benefits only with us. For example, DAX30 or also euro dollar, dual spread of just 0 to 8 points or pips during main trading hours. Check all the details out also here on admiralmarkets.com. There you will find also how to contact us. You can call us, you can send us email, or visit YouTube or Facebook. Usually all our live webinars will be available a couple of hours later in our YouTube channel. Just go to youtube.com admiralmarkets. There will find also something about our regulatory background. And now enough from my side. Now it's time for Giancarlo. Good morning, good day, Giancarlo. What's your view to the markets today?
Good morning, gents. Good morning, traders. Today we have a very interesting news to follow this afternoon. And yesterday we have a great volatility in the indexes, especially in Standard & Poor and DAX. Before to start, I would like to remember that today we have focused our attention about two very important news. The first one is the half past two with the inflation in USA, and of course, like every Wednesday, the AI crude oil stocks change. So I'm going to start today with the Standard & Poor because during the day we have a great double bottom into the 2,870 zone. Especially this long candle could give us some idea about the direction of markets in next days. In Italy, we used to say that as wallow doesn't make spring. So it means that this long candle it's something that we have to take in our trading, but we don't have the certain that the market is in situation of reversal. We have to understand that something going wrong, because the trade war between China and the USA is going very hard, and at the same time Europe live a very complicated situation in economical and political side. Meanwhile, we have to, of course, follow the trend, and of course the long term in long-term chart as SP500 remain with bullish looking, but we have to understand that if this candle of yesterday is just a fire of a moment, or simply a start of reversal. Someone speak about the start of Santa Claus rally. It's something very early for me, but we all know that historically the USA stock market tend to rise in the last weeks of December and the first two sessions of January, because during this month, people used to invest the extra pay received in December. For now, the situation suggests to us that we have a lot we have this resistance to break out this smart money area between 1893 and 1899. For now, price respect this zone, but this afternoon maybe we can have a breakout. I suggest for now to take a look at pullback for buying opportunities. Especially we have to maintain this red line 1888. If we don't maintain this zone, it's difficult to enter in intraday buy in Standard & Poor. But in case we have like yesterday, strong breakout with high volatility of 1899, in this case we can start to try long with the target in 906. In case the price during this day break out this zone, we can start a strong attack of this strong resistance. As you know, in case the price break out 925, we start the rally until 3000 level that we expect to reach if if the market maintain this zone in 3-4 weeks in any event in October. In case the price losing the level today of 877, take care, because could break out this new smart money zone, and down 865 we are going to find this level of 855. In the extension we start a new downtrend, of course in short time, with the target final target in 819. For now, we have to wait how the market react to news. For example, in Nasdaq, the market start a new bullish rally because we are waiting for a new iPhone. So Apple start a good trend, bullish trend, and in any event, Amazon, Google maintain high level and a very great fundamental. So today, I strongly suggest to take a look at the resistance here in 536, because in case the price do a strong breakout, we can start a new uptrend. At least we can reach this level in one day. With this volatility, we can have this possibility of 100 point and 663. My target is to reach this zone at least in next weeks, 775, at only a strong breakout of this level, 312, giving me the possibility to start a selling opportunity. Until we maintain this zone, every pullback is a buy opportunity. We are going to take a look now at DAX. Today I'm going with the index because yesterday we have a great situation. We know that the longer term is in this moment remain bearish, but we have to take a look at what's happened yesterday. You can understand that we have the opportunity of a strong pullback, but in any event, until the price remain down this zone of 674, the long-term trend remain bearish. In H4 chart, I have put this this level like a very important zone, because now we can the selling pressure was blocked yesterday with a great quantity of volume of smart money. We can we have assessed at a great difficulty for sellers to continue the downtrend until this zone 692, and we have a great possibility of a strong pullback with first target in this zone 134. Don't take euphoria in this case, because the trend remains sell. So in intraday it's possible to do some buy entry, but remain with your head focused on downtrend. In 15 minutes, we're going to take a look what's happened now. So in this moment, the DAX tried to reach our resistance here in 12,057, and immediately going down. So my idea today is to wait if this is a reversal, because we are assisting at formation of buy climax. So until the price today remain up the zone between 931 and 957, we can maintain a short-term bullish view. But in case the price going below this smart money zone, so now you can assist this enormous candle, you can understand how it's difficult with this volatility. We have a buy opportunity. My idea is to enter in breakout, because it's very difficult now to open a buy opportunities. My idea is to try to reach this zone today if possible, and we can buy only if we have a breakout of 57. So we can put a buy stop here. We put a stop here always some like 30-40 point, and we try to reach this zone today. We can also have the possibility to maintain this position like tomorrow. For now is complicated to buy. We have to understand that if the price remain this zone between 919 and 917, we have a great volatility, and I suggest to try a sell just if the price do a strong breakout of this level with stop over 30 points, and we try to reach this zone. I always remember that this zone could be a great opportunity of reversal. So if the price don't break out this zone, we can use, like this case, like point of reversal. In the same time, in the price reach this zone of 970 and don't lose this zone, and we assist a strong reversal, we can start a buy. Now we are going to take a look euro dollar, because we have tomorrow we have a European Central Bank meeting and Mario Draghi speech. So the euro waiting the word of Mario Draghi, and we have to understand if he can help to have a new uptrend. For now, I remember idea that 1.1643 remain a good resistance for today, and same time 1.5027 remain a good support. In this case, I would like to suggest to wait how the price can go out, because we have a selling climax, and I would like to understand if we have a new boost into the price with the new buy opportunity. I would like to try a long entry if the price break out this zone, and I would like to right here between 1.1787, 1.1714. The pound remain hostage of Brexit situation. We have a lot of noise, we have a lot of information. We know that in the March of next year we start, we have the Brexit. So for now, I just suggest to take a look at this zone of 1.30. We have reached this zone. It seems that pound want to start a new bullish trend. In case of strong breakout of this zone, I suggest to try a buy entry, and for short only if we have a breakout of 1.2909 until if the price going down and maintain this zone, of course we have a good pullback for new buy opportunity. Dollar yen remain related to USA China war. I would like to have a strong breakout of today, for example, or tomorrow. If we break out this level of 111.60, we can try to reach this zone, but only a breakout of this level of psychological level of 112, we can have a new buy opportunity. For now, it's complicated to trade this pair. The short, of course, are suggest just if the price break out 100.72. Would like to take a look at Australian dollar because the situation is complicated because the Australian dollar is a proxy for global wealth due to the nation's significant trade exposure to the China. So yesterday we trade near a half and 2 year and a half lower in the lower price. So you understand that the situation is complicated. The view is of course bearish, but we expect some pullback at least until 0.7156 or in a station here 0.72, because in this case we can try some sell entry to try to break out this level. Of course, if we break out this one, we try to arrive at 0.70 and in extension 0.68. Don't take for a long entry. I suggest to wait at least the touch of this zone, because could be a pullback in the bearish channel, and we have to maintain the view on selling entry. Now a rapid view of Ethereum, because today Ethereum touched the new highest minimum. We have a breakout in this zone, the zone of $200, and we are going to reach 155. Just very complicated to now to find some buy opportunity. I strongly suggest to take a look at this support, but if the price going up of $225, we can have the great opportunity of new buying. I think that we have a long-term accumulation, and the smart money try to create panic in this market, and they don't want that someone buy. But I have a strong idea that this market could be start a new uptrend in next month, or at least before Christmas. I'm going to take a look at gold and oil, and we finish. Time is short, so let's crack on. And the dollar could push, the power dollar could push the gold for new downtrend. If the price break out this level today or next days, try to have a new sell opportunities. And in I have the idea that gold could arrive at $1,000 next month. So if we break out this zone, try some sell entry, and we would like to reach this zone of 1,171. In case we have a strong breakout of this zone, take care, because the price could start a new downtrend until 1,140. Just a strong breakout of this level in 217 could give us a great opportunity to start at least a new uptrend to cover the 50% of downtrend. We finished with oil because yesterday oil has a great reversal here, the same something like a copy of Standard Poor. We have double bottom and the price going up and up. So what we have to do today is to take a look if we have the opportunity to enter long, but we need at least a strong breakout of this zone of $17 and could be useful to start some buy entry up 17.35. Below 68.17 we can have a new downtrend. Of course, you can imagine here that we have to wait at least at this pullback to understand if the price could going up as the US dollar rise. Of course, the price has the dollar put downward pressure on oil market. I strongly suggest to wait how the market do this pullback, but in any event, we have a great volatility, so take a lot of care. I am finished for today. Thank you very much for your attention, and I don't know if we have time, but I'm at your disposal for any question. Thank you.
Thank you, Giancarlo. Tomorrow is another day, so we hope to hear you all again to the same time. 5 days a week, 5 different traders. This is real-time daily trading ideas, and if you'd like to see and watch that again, a couple of hours later, it will be available on our YouTube channel. Just go to youtube.com/Admiral Markets and you will find us. Thanks, and have a great day and all the time good trades.